Welcome to HW Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions. Today we are testing our cattle and cowhide dehairing machine, designed specifically for fresh cowhides after splitting. Ideal for cattle abattoirs, hide factories, and beef processing plants. By reducing labor and increasing efficiency in hide processing. Before dehairing, soak the hide in Y-65 degrees Celsius warm water until the hair comes off easily with a gentle pinch. Then feed the hide into the dehairing machine. The mechanism simulates manual scraping, removing hair from the root, clean and hygienic. This improves output quality for leather and beef processing. Depending on hide size, we offer large, medium, and small models. Processing capability reaches 20 to 60 hides per hour. A reliable solution for modern abattoir operations. HW Machinery, established in 1984. We supply complete slaughter lines for cattle, pigs, sheep, and poultry, and also meat and sausage equipment, crate washing, and food machinery. Contact us for more details and cooperation. HW Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.